Today I'm going to show you how to track post views and just general website views of your WordPress website. It's extremely simple to do. It's just a plugin that you have to use. First, just log into your website. Mine is allhowtos.com. It's still brand new, so I don't have any views, so you'll see my pitiful stats here in a second. So I just did my website WP login, but just basically log in as your admin account. You should know how to do that if you've already set up a WordPress site, so I'm not going to show you how to do that, but just get to your admin dashboard, and once here, then go to the plugins tab over here on the right and go to add new, and then in the search box what you're going to want to look for is called Jetpack. It's actually released by WordPress, and it's just a very cool tool that allows you to do several things, but the one I find most useful is the page views. So when you type in Jetpack there and do a search, then it's going to be the first one right here, Jetpack by WordPress.com. It's completely legit and it works so well. So then just choose the install now option that will be right here. I'll go through the install, just hit OK there. I'll install this one instead so you can see how to install it, but you should probably know how to install one at this point. And then just have your host name here. I'm going to blank out these and my password obviously, but you just put in all that information and then hit proceed, and then it's going to install the plugin. And after that, you need to make sure that you activate it. I'm not going to activate it because I already have the English version of it. Like, this is exactly the same as just the German version. But so now that it's installed, then you're going to activate it. Make sure to hit the activate plugin button. And then once you do and reload the page, then this Jetpack tab is going to show up here. Then click on the Jetpack thing right here. That'll take you to the home page of Jetpack. And once that loads, then you're going to have all these choices here of what you want to activate and then how to configure it. There's some other cool things here. I might do some tutorials on how to use the other stuff, but the big thing that you want for the post views is going to be down. Probably should have looked for it before this. Oh, the stats, sorry. Yeah, it's the very first one. It's just WordPress stats, and you can do a couple things with the configuration, but just by default it works fine. And then after that, to view your actual site stats, then you just click on site stats up here, like it's under the Jetpack tab, site stats, and you'll see my extremely pitiful stats right here. I'm still working on getting them up with search engine optimization, which I will add some tutorials for that, which it really helps, but as you can see it's pretty bad. But it shows here what search terms bring in traffic to my website, what posts they've viewed, and how many views you have on each post. And if you have any links inside your post, it tells you how many people have clicked and which ones people have clicked. And then you'll also see what search terms are coming to your site, which is extremely useful, because then if you notice that a certain search term is bringing a lot of traffic, then you can actually improve your search engine optimization to bring in more traffic from that search term, or to bring in search from a different term. So that's very important. And then the refer links. The refers here is very important, because that tells you how views are actually getting to your website. So, but yeah, this is basically like, this is my peak day there was 1,700 views, but my normal is quite a bit lower than that. Like, that's a day I got slash-dotted. So, but in general, as you can see here, like, this is how you will view your site views. There's different plugins to do the same thing, but this works extremely well. Very easy. Anyone can do it.